and welcome to another edition of Tech Tuesday presented by Delta Media Group, where we feel that every FBI auditor out there really just wants to be a family man at heart. So today, we are going to take a look at some new functionality we've added. I want to call it a new feature, a new DeltaNET feature or DeltaNET function, but I'm not sure that would really be accurate. So, long story short, there is now a mobile app available for the DeltaNET. So this is, before our solution to use the DeltaNET on your phone was to either open up your browser and go to the web page, or once you went to the web page or the login page for the DeltaNET, you could save that page to your home screen using the browser's functionality, your phone's functionality, and just kind of put an icon or a shortcut to it on your home screen. Well, now you have the ability to actually go to the iOS or Google Play Store and download the app, and then you can log into that app, and it actually is a native app on that device. So just kind of makes it simpler to get in and find that app, and give you an easier time of getting into the DeltaNET so that you can do everything that the DeltaNET has to offer. So, in order to demonstrate that, I'm just going to take a look at the Google Play Store. I don't have an easy way of kind of sharing, a mobile device for a video like this. So in this case, we're just going to take a look at the Google Play Store. And you can see I've got it open in another tab here. If you haven't seen Nobody, that movie was fantastic. If you're into that kind of thing, but once you're here in the Google Play Store, you could do this on your mobile device as well. You'll just search for DeltaNET app is the easiest way to find it, and then here it is. So within the Google Play Store, at least in the web version, it is the second result. It won't be much further down than that if you do that on your mobile device or on your Android device. Now it is also available on the iPhone or the iOS App Store, so you can find it much the same way. You'll just open up your App Store on your Apple device and search for DeltaNET app, and you'll be able to find it that way as well. So you have this big DeltaNET 6 icon, and you're looking for an app called DeltaNET by Delta Media Group. And just like any other app, I'll just click on it here in my results, and then I can click the install button if I want to install it to my device from the web-based App Store, but you'll have this install button in your actual mobile App Store as well. So that's all there is to it. Just tap on the icon, load it up, make sure you're looking at DeltaNET by Delta Media Group, and hit the install button, and that'll get your app installed. Now once it's installed, now this is the interesting portion of this and the reason for making this Tech Tuesday. Once you have it installed and you launch it, you'll see something like this. So instinctively you may believe that you will log in using your DeltaNET credentials, and that's not quite true. So what you're actually going to use to log into the app is, we'll go back over to the DeltaNET here. So logged into the DeltaNET through standard means, you'll just go in here and go to your profile page. So you can just click on your name or your picture up here in the top right. It opens this drop-down menu, and we'll click on Profile. And then on this page, we're looking for a DeltaNET credentials section. So I could just scroll down to it and find it, but we'll go ahead and use our search section shortcut here. So I'm just going to type in Delta, and you can see we've got DeltaNET app login, so that's all I have to type in to get it to narrow down to what I want. But this is what I'm looking for, DeltaNET app login credentials. So from here, this is my DMG ID, so I'm going to copy that. Now, typically, I would be looking at this, maybe on a computer screen, so maybe I have a laptop open or a desktop. I'm looking at this here, and then I would have my mobile device in my hand, and I would actually type these credentials in. However, for the sake of this example, I can copy and paste it, and that's easier, so that's what I'm going to do. So there we go. Paste it in my DeltaNET ID or my DMG ID there. Now we'll go back here, and I'll just type in my PIN since it's short enough. Sign in. And we're not going to remember our credentials this time around. And there you have it. So now I'm logged into the DeltaNET, and I will remain logged into the DeltaNET. At this point, I will only have to log in that one time. After that, anytime I just tap on that icon, it's going to load up and take me straight into the DeltaNET. Now you can see, just as if I had logged in by going to the web page, I am on my Agent Home Dashboard page, or my welcome page. So from here I have access to all the same things, all the same functionality, and I can just click on this menu up here at the top to expand my my side navigation, and all this is just the DeltaNET exactly as you know it. So if I want to get to my customers, I'll just go to CRM. And there we go. So now I'm on my customer page where I can add a customer twice. And these tiles are customizable per company, so that's why we have some odd tiles in here. But there you have it. This is my my CRM page. So anything that I have access to, or anything that I can do in the desktop or the kind of standard mobile web page version of the DeltaNET, I can do here in the DeltaNET app. So there you have it. Thanks a lot for joining me. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, we had a nice short video today, so that'll give you plenty of time to send an email into support@deltagroup.com or give us a call where we can walk you through whatever else you need. So thanks a lot for joining me, and I will see you again next week.